Welcome to Gcb Fintech. In this short tutorial, we will guide you through how to fund your USDT account digitally using any third-party crypto wallet that supports USDT on BEP20 and Tron, such as MetaMask. The funds should be sent to the following wallet details. Step 1. Scan the QR code. If your wallet app supports QR code scanning, simply scan the QR code displayed on your screen to send your funds instantly. Step 2. Copy the wallet address. If you can't scan, if your wallet doesn't support QR codes, you can manually copy and paste one of the following wallet addresses: GCB Treasury Wallet, EVM, GCB Treasury Wallet, TRON. Important note: before sending, please double-check the network you are using to remit your USDT. The GCB Treasury Wallet only supports USDT on BEP20 and Tron. Sending USDT using any other network, such as ERC-20, may result in permanent loss of funds. Step 3. Upload your transaction proof. Once your transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, take a screenshot of your transaction details, including the transaction hash. You will need to upload this screenshot to your Gcb Fintech account. Step 4. Log into Gcb Fintech. Go to your Gcb Fintech account and log in. From the left navigation panel, click on My Profile. Step 5. Upload your screenshot. In your profile, scroll to the Files section. Here, you can upload the screenshot confirmation of your USDT remittance. Step 6. Need help or want to check your status? If you're unsure about anything or want to check your remittance status, click the envelope icon at the top of your dashboard. Send a message to the bank admin and include your transaction hash. They'll assist you in verifying your transfer. That's it. You've successfully funded your Gcb Fintech account. Simple, fast, and secure. Thank you for choosing Gcb Fintech.